What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I want to talk about 10 under the radar websites to earn money online. If you want to earn some extra money, these are 10 websites that you can use, and these websites are kind of under the radar because not a lot of people or no one really on YouTube or on the internet, they're not talking about these websites. So these websites are probably going to be websites that you've never heard about before and you've never used before. But if that is the case, comment down below. Let me know which one of these websites you were able to use before. But if not, these are some really good websites that are under the radar. Not a lot of people are talking about this. Not a lot of people are using these websites, and you can use them to make some extra money. And here you can get paid via bank transfer. You can get paid in PayPal. You can get paid with reloadable gift cards. You get paid with like Visa or MasterCard gift cards. So there's a lot of ways to get paid here. And these are also methods or websites that work in just about any country. So that's also a plus. So let's dive right into this video. So the first website I want to talk about is Game Tester. Now, Game Tester is a website where you test games before they're actually released, and you kind of play the games, test the games, and you get paid to do so. Now, one of the great things about Game Tester, and I'll leave the website link down below, is that this isn't just for using on your computer. You can also test these games on a MacBook, and you can also test these games on an Android device and also on an iPhone. So if all you have is like an iPad, or you just have a mobile phone and you want to be able to make some money online, then Game Tester is a really good option. So the process here is fairly easy. You sign up to get access to the Game Tester platform. You can download the app, or you can do this on your computer. Then you'd get notified about upcoming games before they're released, so you can test them, and also any other promotions that they have going on. And then you'll be one of the first people to play these unreleased, unannounced games, and then with your feedback based on what you think about the games, then they can, tweak the games to make them better before they actually release them. And by doing this, you're going to be earning XP and GT Gold each time you provide feedback, and then you can convert those into cash. So this is a great way to make some extra money online. And also, again, you can use your Android device or your iPhone to do this. You don't have to have a computer. Also, with payments, you're gonna get GT Gold, and you're gonna get this in a wallet, but then you can convert this into, as I say here, a virtual Visa or a virtual MasterCard. And you can do this in multiple currencies, or you can even transfer the money directly to your bank account, and they support payments to over 20 countries. And so that's how you can get paid. So I'll leave the link down below. Check this out. You may actually like this, especially if you love playing games. Now, next on the list is going to be PlayTest Cloud. This is a similar website. The process is kind of similar here. It's kind of the same thing. You get paid to test unreleased games, and then based on your feedback, they can tweak these games to make them better before they actually release them to the public. So you'll sign up here. Also, again, you can do this on an Android device, and you can also do this on your iPhone. So if all you have is a mobile phone, then you can definitely make some extra money with PlayTest Cloud. I'll leave the link down below. Now, to become a tester, all you gotta do is to go over to become a tester right here on this link, and you will sign up to be a tester, and you have to do a qualification test at first to be approved. That test is unpaid. You won't get paid for doing the test. If you fail the test, you can also retake that test. But after you actually pass that test, that's when they'll invite you to play these unreleased games that will actually pay you. So you want to fill this out, do the test, pass the test, and that's how you can make some money here. And again, I'll leave the link down below for this one. If you like playing video games and you like playing games on your phone, this is also a great way to make some extra money online. Now, next website on the list is going to be Nexus Notes. Now, Nexus Notes is for students mainly. So basically, if you're in college or high school and you're studying and you want access to other people's notes or answers to questions, probably people that have been doing the courses or have done the courses that you're doing right now before, then they may be able to help you out. So they have notes on here. So this website is charging around $18 per month or $144 per year with access to unlimited downloads of all the material on the website. And this is what they do. Now, if you are in school and you have your notes that you've made for any particular topic or any particular courses, you can go to sell notes right here, and basically you can now sell your notes on Nexus Notes to other people who are studying that course. So this makes this really easy, a really easy method to make money, because you're not really doing anything that you haven't already done. You're simply just using your existing notes, you're uploading them here, and people have access to them, and you get paid when people download or use your study notes. So if you're studying, or if you have studied before and you have your study notes, then this is another way that you can make some money online. Next on the list is going to be a similar website. It's Stuvia. Leave the link down below. Again, for this one, you're kind of doing the same thing. Your study notes, your summaries, flashcards, study guides, anything. All study resources are worth at least some money, and you can sell and share your study notes with fellow students, and they offer you a generous commission on every sale. Now here, I will say that you probably won't make a ton of money from this unless you have a lot of people using your notes, but the average earnings per month is just around $76, and that can go up as well depending on how many people are downloading or using your study notes. There are people here who've made a lot of money. For example, this person here has made over $3,600 since they started, and they had study material on business administration. This person was doing medicine, and they've only made around $32. So it all depends on just how many people are looking for those study notes that you have, and also I guess the courses that you have these study notes in. But there are people here making money, so you definitely want to do this. If you have study notes or course material, you can upload them here and you can make money from them. So simply come on this website, hit sell right here, and then you can sign up, create your free account, and you can start making some money. Now, next on the list is gonna be Trada. Now, Trada is like a user testing website where you test other websites. So here it says all you have to do as a tester is to be yourself. Use the test website exactly as you would in a real life situation, and just voice your thoughts and frustrations out loud so the developers of these websites can understand your experience and how they can tweak or modify this website to give a better user experience. So what this entails is that you're gonna do a test, you're gonna do a video recording of your screen and also a voice recording as you use this website or app, and you simply just speak out loud and just say whatever you like, whatever you don't like about the website, and then afterwards you'll do some written responses, and you'll also do a short survey. And there's no limit to the number of tests that you can do. And while this isn't full-time work, you can definitely make some good extra money right here. And they pay through PayPal every weekday morning. So this is definitely something that you can do. Here it says you can get paid from around $5 to $30 per test, depending on the websites and the test. So definitely sign up for Trada, and you can make some extra money here, the link down below. Now, just before I go any further in this video, just a quick reminder, guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Eann. On this channel, I talk about ways to make money, ways to save, ways to invest, bank accounts, jobs, everything personal finance related. So if you like these videos, you like these types of topics, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notifications on. That's the only way you'll be able to get the notifications of when I post new videos, just like this one. If you ever want to talk to me one-on-one, you can message me on Instagram, link is down below. But with that said, let's dive into the next website. So the next website here is Book Browse, and this is a website where you can actually complete reviews of books, and you can get paid to do so. Now, it says most of our reviewers are USA based, as is Book Browse, but they are open to reviewers overseas. However, because they work exclusively with American publishers, it is rare that the publishers will want to send print copies to addresses outside the US. So you can do this in other countries, but mainly this opportunity is going to be better suited to people who are inside the US. So basically, you're going to read these books and review them, do a written review of these books, and you get paid for doing so. This is kind of like an interview process where you have to show your interest in reviewing books and also give samples of writing, because they want to verify that you're also a good writer and that you can articulate yourself well. And so that when you provide them with a review, it'll be a good quality review. So they want to test that out. And they also say here they receive many applicants. I mean, this is actually a good way to make some money online. So a lot of people are applying for these types of jobs. So they have this website, Book Browse, and then there's a bunch of other websites similar to Book Browse that a lot of people use or a lot of people know about. But this is probably one that you've never heard about before. So this is a good one to apply for. Now, next website on the list is going to be US Review of Books. Similar website, similar concept. You're going to be doing these books, you're going to be reading these books and giving reviews of these books, and you get paid. Also, they'll want to test your skills as well. So you have to be really good with writing, grammar, punctuation, all that stuff to get these jobs, but these can actually pay you really well. And you'll be doing reviews. Standard reviews here run from 250 to 300 words. It should summarize the book as well as reveal insights drawn from the reading. So this is also another great website to do this type of job on and definitely make some extra money. Next website on the list is going to be surveyfeeds.com, and here you get paid for doing research. And here you get paid for participating in this user research. So for example, this is for a healthcare organization here. They want to pay you anywhere from $100 to $400 for online studies and $250 to $400 for in-person studies. So if you're doing this online, you won't be doing the in-person. But on this website, Survey Feeds, if we go back one step, they have different subjects or topic areas. So for example, they have clinical research panel, they have VR user experience study, they have a healthcare tech study, they have a business tech study, they have a cybersecurity study. So you're gonna click off any one of these or click on any one of these you want. It'll tell you, what it's paying. This one, for example, is paying you $350 for 90 minutes of your time, and it'll tell you what you need to do here. So these are good ways to make money online. Survey Feeds, I'll leave the link down below. This is another website that is kind of under the radar because not a lot of people are talking about it. Next on the list is Focus Group. Kind of similar. It says it's people who are interested in sharing their opinions and views on a variety of topics to help influence the development of technology, food, healthcare, and much more. You can do these on the telephone or online anywhere in the world, or you can do them in person at one of their 16 offices across the US. And here, of course, you'll be getting paid for participating. So this is another one to add to the list. I'll leave the link below. And then finally, another under the radar website that is not talked about a lot online is Secrethopper.com. And this is where you can get paid for doing mystery shopping. So here, you're an independent contractor. You have the freedom to choose when and how often you want to shop. You can use the Secrethopper mobile app to do your shops wherever you're at. You can assign yourself shop dates to fit your existing schedule. They have staff to help you with your questions, and you can get paid with physical check or direct deposit, and also PayPal if you're not inside the US. So this works if you're outside the US as well. You get paid with PayPal. And of course, they reward you with perks and additional benefits for their best shoppers. So you want to sign up here to shop. If you don't know what mystery shopping is, it's, they say, a fun and flexible way to earn some extra cash. So we could play this video right here, this quick video, give you guys an idea of what secret shopping is. So let's go ahead and play this real quick. Okay, so that video really didn't say much as to what secret shopping is, but basically secret shopping is when you get paid to evaluate your favorite retailers. So you'll go inside the store and you'll answer questions, or basically just kind of like snoop around and give feedback on what's going on at that particular store or location, and you get paid for doing this. It's kind of like a similar app to Field Agent, kind of like the same concept. You go into different stores and basically you do reviews and you can get paid. So these were 10 under the radar websites to earn money online. Not a lot of people on YouTube are talking about these websites. So if you are interested in making some extra money online, I mean, these won't be able to replace a job or give you like full-time income, but if you want to make some extra money on the side, these are all 10 really good websites to use. I'll leave the links down below to all these websites. Comment down below, let me know if you've ever used any of them before. And with that said, all the best, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next one.